Hi, my name is Mark, and you can see my skills in my profile and my job reviews. So I will skip that part, and I think it's interesting first to tell you why I like your job description. That there's I think there's two big parts. One is view. That's something I like a lot. I have been using it in most of my projects for the last 2 years. And to me, Vue makes my developer life much easier. I tend to find less bugs. It's true that sometimes the bugs you find are not so easy to debug or fix, but generally, I think it improves my productivity a lot, and it's a lot of fun working with Vue. So I like it a lot. The other thing I liked about your project is you people. I mean, it seems like by your description and by looking at your video, it looks like you have a very nice atmosphere, and I like working with fun things like you, but I also like working with fun people, and I think that's something that you already have, and I think I can fit in there, and I would love to be part of it. More than that, I think what you might be interested in maybe now it's seeing some of the things I've done. I could describe them, but I think it's better to show them to you. Uh, I chose two projects. One is a personal project. Uh, Actually, I built this for my mom, so it's in my mother tongue, and it's a recipe book. It's built with Vue, and as you can see, and Quasar for the UI, and it's using a worker also in the background to do some processing. There's different pages and different components. If you want to see some of my code, this is built using TypeScript, but it's really very not very. I just played around with it, so I'm not sure that's my strongest point, but I did try it a little bit here. And you have here the list with some filters. You can by the type of dish you're cooking, and yeah, the transition here is not really that nice, but yeah. And then you can also search, and you can see the recipe at a different page with a router. As you can see, there's some transition between the two pages as well. You can check which ingredients you already have. You can also check what steps you already finished in the preparation process, and then when you finish, it says bon appetit, and yeah, that's basically it. It has some login to manage all the recipes and be able to edit them and add new ones and so on. This is the code. It's not extremely complex, but that's it. The other app that I wanted to show you is this one. This is still in development, but it's that's in my previous job when I left. That was the final step of the app, and yeah, this is a map of mosquito pictures that users take when they find them. So scientists on the background can process this data and obtain some useful information for managers to reduce the population of some specific mosquitoes that are can produce some illnesses in humans. So yeah, that's the general background. The app lets you filter to add different types of mosquitoes. There's one main big one, and then there's also a time series that shows you. Okay, there's a small bug here. It's not shown. The date is not perfectly seen. You can filter, and it's both a map and the time series are reactive. So as you move one or the other, or apply some filters, everything gets updated. There's different languages, and you can also increase the size of the map so you can browse a little better. And then go back to all the tools. There's a calendar to select the different dates, and yeah, I think that's basically it. If you would like to know more, or yeah, I would be happy to have an interview if you like, or a test. I'm happy to do that as well. Just let me know if you want me to do that. Thank you very much, and